Is your productivity stopped because DTS can't find the DTS-HD Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we begin the manual steps for DTS-HD Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the DTS-HD Library, the DTS High-Definition HD audio helper. It provides localized unmanaged C++ routines for parsing high-bitrate localized audio bit streams, essential for 64-bit media players to resolve localized DTS-HD Master audio, manifest in Blu-ray and high-end video files. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. To properly restore DTS-HD Library DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with DTS-HD Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of DTS-HD Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing DTS-HD library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored DTS-HD library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.